Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai Accent Sport Hatch, stock reference number 4497. This shape runs from the 10th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has a light fold on the front edge. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. There's the powered window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.